Okay, so Ms. Tidwell, you had 2 misdemeanor charges. One was a license suspended. The other is a charge of driving with an invalid or improper license. Those original charges would be dismissed and plead to, oh no, she's pleading straight up on the improper license, and the license suspended is dismissed. Is that correct?
Yes.
Well, failure to display is the ticket ending in 981.
So,
And the
9,
other matter is to be dismissed.
the straight up license suspended would be dismissed.
Yes.
All right, so Ms. Tidwell,
Yes.
you had these 2 misdemeanor charges. The original charges are going to be dismissed. You're going to plead to 1 count of failure to display a valid license. It's still a misdemeanor charge, but the impact on your driver's license is negligible. Is that your understanding and your desire, ma'am?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm the testimony about to give in the matter is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty because on January 5th, 2019, while in the city of Detroit, you're operating a motor vehicle, you failed to display a valid license, when required to do so by Detroit Police Officer Harvard. Is that correct?
Yes.
I accept the pleas being accurate, voluntary, and understanding, and the plea bargain agreement in total. Commander, you have fines and costs of $240. I need you to tell me, when will that be paid in full?
Today.
Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna note within 7 days. Pay that online or at the court, no later than 7 days, $240. Make sure you pay within that time. Otherwise, again, all sorts of bad things start to happen. You get in trouble with the Secretary of State, warrants issued for your arrest, it turns into a mess. So you've got $240 within 7 days. Any questions, ma'am?
Yes. Can you please give me the website so that I can make that payment today?
It's just
36 district court.
36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
All right.
The phone was breaking up. She said 36 districtcourt.org.
Yes.
Okay, now one more question. When should this be clear so that I can get my license? Because I've never had a driver's license. So does this clear right away once I make the payment of $240?
Yes, once you pay it.
All right, once you pay, you're gonna get your clearance, and then you can take that up with the Secretary of State. Once you show them you have a clearance.
Okay, so will that come in the mail if I make this payment online?
But if you need to get your license, Ms. Tidwell, you need to come down and make the payment. Once you make the payment, the clearance goes directly to the Secretary of State.
So you saying it's better just to come into 36th district other than paying it online?
Correct. If you pay it online, it may take a couple of days. You have to have a couple of days worth of post. But if you come pay it at the cashier window,
Okay,
at the court, the clearance goes straight to Secretary of State, once it's cleared.
okay, now one more question. The attorney mentioned that I had a warrant. I was just telling him that on April 7th of 21, I made a payment of $200 for the warrant, as well as $1,316 for the tickets that I had in the past. Does that take a long time to show in the system?
Ms. Tidwell, you need to call the courtroom. You need to call me in the courtroom. 965
Okay,
2405. 965 2405.
okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right, and next we have Anita Tate.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Would you state your name and address, please?
Benita Tate, 15005 Wickham, Detroit, Michigan, 48227.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Tate. We have a plea offer, Your Honor, from the city and from the state. I've had conversations with the state prosecutor regarding these matters. And so as a result, Ms. Tate stands ready to enter a plea to no operator's license. That's the ticket ending in 3811, and improper license, which is SP 511109, count 3. In addition, she's prepared to enter a failure to display, a plea to failure to display, and that's ticket number 1344063, count 3. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Toward the bottom, it says no reduced plea offer on 4 counts. So
Yes. What the situation is that the city attorney is only able to write, right? And so I had a conversation this morning with Jordan Miller, and he agreed to dismiss these no reduced counts except for the single count of failure to display.
But just for my own notification, then we're going to leave open 1, 2, 3. I'm showing like 4 counts remain open.
No, they're to be dismissed, Your Honor.
Okay, I just wasn't reading this correctly. So simply put, for the pleas on cases ending in 381 and 109, count 3 would take pleas of guilty. All of the others would be dismissed. Is that correct?
Not exactly. There's one other count that she's going to plead guilty to failure to display ticket 1344063, count 3.
All right. Ms. Tate, would you state your name and your address, please?
Benita Tate, 15005 Wickham, Detroit, Michigan, for a 227.
So, first plea bargain, and as it was explained to Mr. Berry, is your understanding that you desire to plead guilty to those charges. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes,
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm the testimony about to give the matter is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because on November 13th, 2016, in the city of Detroit, you did not have a license on your person. Is that correct?
yes,
And also on September 19th, 2016, while in the city of Detroit, you drove without a valid license or a proper license was in your possession. Is that correct?
yes,
And also lastly, on November 18th, 2013, you drove without a valid license while in the city of Detroit. Is that correct?
yes,
All right, I'll accept those pleas being accurate, voluntary, and understanding, and the plea bargain agreement in total. All right. Is there anything else before the court will pass sentence, Mr. Mayor?
Nothing to offer, Your Honor.
All right, now, Ms. Tate,
yes,
altogether, you have fines and costs totaling $720,
mhm.
two for each case. And can you tell me when this would be paid in full?
By the end of the week, Friday.
I may, Your Honor. I believe she has a bond.
Yes, I do.
And what I'm going to note, you will pay this within 7 days, noting that you can't apply the bond.
Okay,
It's paid in full.
yes, sir.
All right. Now, please make sure you take care of that. Otherwise, go through all of this again. Warrants issued, trouble with Secretary of State. So 720 within 7 days, applying any applicable bonds.
Okay,
All right. Thank you, Ms. Tate. Mr.
thank
Barry,
you.
very helpful on that one, very much. All right.
Am I finished?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the last.
And we have Vanessa Tadamy.
Yes,
Yes. Good afternoon, Ms. Tadamy. Would you state your name and your address, please?
good afternoon, Your Honor. My name is Vanessa Tadamy. My address is 23436 Diesel Street, St. Clair Shores, Michigan, 48082.
O.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Tatamy. Your Honor, there is an offer in this case, a reduction from the license and improper, whatever. It's reduced to failure to display, no points, no abstract violation. And I believe that Ms. Tatamy is prepared to enter a plea to failure to display. Am I correct?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're very welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so ma'am, you plead
Yes.
to another misdemeanor charge, one that will have much less of an impact on your driving record, namely no points. So that's your understanding and your desire, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes,
Raise your, please, do swear or affirm the testimony about giving the matter is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
yes, sir.
And you're pleading guilty because on December
Yes.
6, 2017, to the charge of failure to display a valid license, was at that time, and while in the city of Detroit, you failed to display a valid license to Detroit police officer Bragg. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept please being accurate, voluntary, and understanding. Mr. Berry, anything else before the court would pass sentence, sir?
I have nothing to offer, Your Honor.
Okay. And fines and costs are $240. I need you to tell me how long do you need to pay that in full?
I need 3 weeks, sir.
I'll know within 30 days.
Thank you.
Make sure it's paid within that time, ma'am. Otherwise, you go through all this again. Warrants can start to issue for your arrest, you get in trouble with the Secretary of State. So remember this, $240 within 30 days.
Now, with the $100 I paid in the bond, would that go towards the 240?
You have that could be applied. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Anything else, ma'am?
I'll just continue to have a blessed day and thank you so very, very much. And continue to
And
stay
you-
safe, everyone.
You can hang up now.
Thank you.
That is it.
Madam Clerk.
Live on hold.
By the end of this hearing, we see a clear pattern. Multiple defendants resolving their cases through plea deals that reduce legal severity but still demand fast financial compliance. The judge consistently emphasizes deadlines, reinforcing how the court system prioritizes closure and accountability. For Ms. Tate, the total jumps to $720, significantly higher than the earlier case, showing how repeated or compounded charges can escalate quickly. The legal takeaway here is simple but critical. Even minor driving violations can snowball into serious financial and legal pressure if not handled properly. The system offers second chances, but only if you act fast and follow through. If you found this case as eye-opening as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth courtroom breakdowns.